Uncle, hello! Ito kasama ko si Uncle Limuel live dito sa Zamboanga City Coliseum for the Asian Invitational Tournament. It was a down-the-wire finish, ladies and gentlemen. A one-point game won by the Gray Team over the Hong Kong Dragons, led by Kobe Lam. Next game will be Zamboanga Valientes, our home team. Ganda ng first game, oh. 74-73. So this is one of the most modern, state-of-the-art wood flooring here in the city. Medyo overpriced lang sa 35 million na flooring. So don't go away. We'll have the second game. The Zamboanga Valientes team will be playing. So let's watch our favorite center, Malik Diop, play later. Okay mga kaibigan, dumating na po ang fan favorite, the Marcus Cousin. Marcus Cousin. Laos na lang. No, Uncle. No, analyst. Hindi. Warming up for this big game between Zamboanga Valientes and may kalaban. Hindi namin po alam kalaban. Uy, andito na yung favorite player ko, si Malik Diop. The former foreign student athlete of our very own UP Maroons. Alright, let's game time, ladies and gentlemen, between Zamboanga Valientes versus Macau Aces. With me is my co-host, Uncle Limuel Zimbahon. Score is 34-23. Valiente still leading over the Macau Asians. Wow. Wala may sound. Guwapo na yung sound. Okay. Half-time break. Half-time break. Monday Championship.
Bukas na siguro yan?
Meron ba?
Bukas na siguro, bukas.
Champion na sa Bangka Belitung. Wala pa silang talo?
Wala pa siguro. Malakas din yung ano kanina, yung...
Yung kanina, no? Malakas. Yung Hong Kong ba yun? Hong Kong.
Macau?
Macau ba naman?